It's not just a drinking game. Welcome to the review. Today, you guys, we're doing a review of this ring toss game. This product was sent to us in return for our honest review. Yes, many people play this game as a drinking game. It even comes with the 2 shot glasses to get your game started, but you don't have to be a drinker to have fun with this. It's fun even without drinking, and that being said, drinking does make it a little bit harder. So this comes nicely packaged, and it does need to be assembled. We put it together pretty fast. It was pretty easy. We didn't even read the instructions. That's how easy it was. One thing to note, though, the rings do come in 2 different sizes. The bigger ring makes the game a little bit easier, and sometimes it's best to start with that until you get the hang of the game. So the idea behind this is to get the ring onto the hook, which I'm sure you're thinking, oh, that's easy. Is it though? It's not as easy as you think. There is a real strategy to this game, and if you get good at it with the big rings, then you should switch it out for the smaller rings. This is a great tabletop game for any of your parties, and like I said, you can fill those shot glasses with anything you want. We really enjoyed this, and it is going to be a new game that's going to sit on our table during our events and our parties. It's well made, it's sturdy, and it's super fun.